Hi guys, I am doing a quick review on a product line that I've been using for my skin. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick simple breakdown of what's been going on and what I'm dealing with my skin. So right now I'm barefaced, obviously. and so mm, those are my more breakout areas, and I have a few breakout on my forehead. And so I'm just going to give you guys a quick little brief history on my skin. So I broke out with acne from the time I was a teenager. So I've been suffering with it for about 15 years. And excuse me, I always had pimples. Always had pimples. And so every time I get a pimple, though, my skin will clear up right, like immediately. I'll get a pimple, it'll stay for a week, it'll be gone. And so right now, as I'm getting a little older and I'm experiencing new things with my skin and wearing makeup like every day, I noticed that my skin has gone into a whole nother change. And so I'm gonna swing back just 5 years ago. I started getting laser hair removal because I grow hair in my hormonal areas, particularly hair, and some up hair. A lot of women suffer with this, and so I was shaving, I was waxing, I was threading, and everything just like tore my skin up. It made it dark, or it scarred it, or it just didn't work for me. And so I finally decided to try laser hair removal, which worked really great. Um, the first thing you have to do when you go get laser removal is you have to go through 8 consecutive months of treatments once a month, and you get your hair lasered off. And it worked for me because now when I go probably like once a year to go get my hair lasered off. But one thing I did notice was my skin became hyperpigmented. And so every time I began to break out it with a pimple, it would leave a black mark every time. And so that's what I dealt with laser hair removal. So if you were looking into going to get laser hair removal, I highly suggest taking that into consideration and speaking to the laser tech and expressing all your concerns and allowing her to give you, the best information she can give you. But definitely Google it and make sure you're making the right decision. But I have to say, it changed my life, not growing hair there because that was embarrassing. I have a long-term boyfriend, and every time he seen it, he would freak out like, "Oh my gosh, move that stuff off your face!" And I'm like, "But I don't want to. It's gonna give me a pimple." And so, it really saved my life. I'm gonna say that. However, it did change. And then I began to get keloids. Like, for instance, I have a keloid right here, and I have one over here, and I believe it came, and I have two here, so I have keloid skin. But for some odd reason, I didn't get this until I got a laser treatment. But I can't link the two. I'm just giving you my experience. And so that's what's been going on. So about 3 weeks ago, I decided to try the Main Choice hair pills. They grew my hair. This started growing back. But what I experienced was crazy acne right in here. Now, I'm not going to say it's the Main Choice because I don't definitely know. But I have to say, when I tried it and 2 weeks later, I got a breakout like I've never broken out before. Like, this section right here was crazy, and it was really hard. I never had really hard skin. Like, when I touch it, it just feels like something is stabbing my fingers. And I was like, oh my gosh, I had to get help. I was so desperate. I was going to the mall to go get some Proactive. Now, mind you, I used Proactive a few years ago, and when I used it, it burnt my skin. Like, I had scabs and everything. And so I was so desperate. I was like, I need something. Maybe I'll try it again because my skin changed. But then I came across the little kiosk, and I ran into Euphoria. Great line. To some expensive. To some it may be expensive, and to some it may not be. Just your preference. So this product line is $3.99. I caught it on a special during Christmas time. Excuse me, Black Friday for $1.99. So what it did was it came with a cleanser that looked exactly like this. Here's Euphoria, and this is the moisturizer. The cleanser is in my shower. I'm not going to get it. So this is the daily moisturizer. So I will cleanse my face. I will put this after. And then it also came with a microdermabrasion set. And it's the platinum infused facial peeling gel. So I will put this on my skin for about 10 seconds, rinse it off, and it works wonders. Okay? And so I've been laying off makeup for a while because I don't know if that's breaking my skin out as well. So what I use is MAC. I'm using the Face and Body Foundation. And so it's working. My face has stopped breaking out. This stuff is working really well for me. I wish I would have taken you know, pictures or just videos to show you guys what it looked like previously. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted. You see what my skin look like now. So I'll be back in about 3 weeks and I'll show you the improvements or if my skin went right back to being crazy, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, or if you experience anything that I experienced and you want to let me know what made your situation better, please let me know, okay? Talk to you guys soon. Bye.